Welcome to my magical kitchen. I'm Chef Whiskers, and today we're making something egg-specially delicious. First, we heat up our pan nice and warm. Cooking is all about patience and love. Now, for the fun part, crack the egg gently and watch the magic happen. Look at that beautiful golden yolk. Cooking brings such joy and delicious rewards. Perfect. Remember, anyone can be a chef with a little creativity and lots of fun.